For those juggling multiple computers with a need for high-resolution displays, the clickfish 8K DisplayPort KVM switch might be the answer. This particular model is designed to handle 4 computers, allowing users to share a single set of peripherals, keyboard, mouse, and, crucially, 3 monitors. The key selling point here is its support for triple monitors via DisplayPort 1.4. This means users can achieve resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz, ensuring a crisp and detailed visual experience, provided their monitors and computers support such high resolutions. This makes it suitable for tasks demanding high visual fidelity, such as video editing, graphic design, or even high-end gaming. Setting up the KVM switch appears straightforward. Each computer connects to the switch via 3 DisplayPort cables for video, plus USB for keyboard and mouse. The switch then connects to the monitors and peripherals. The manual switch design implies a simple, direct selection of which computer controls the connected devices. The inclusion of USB 3.0 ports is a welcome addition, offering fast data transfer speeds for external drives or other USB devices. The presence of audio and microphone outputs is also convenient, allowing users to switch audio sources along with the video and peripherals. The clickfish KVM switch is constructed from aluminum, which should provide decent durability and heat dissipation. Its dimensions are approximately 9 by 7 by 2 inches, so it's reasonably compact and shouldn't take up too much desk space. However, potential buyers should consider a few factors. First, ensure that all computers have 3 DisplayPort outputs to fully utilize the triple monitor functionality. Second, while the product description mentions 8K at 60 Hz, the actual achievable resolution and refresh rate will depend on the capabilities of the connected computers, monitors, and cables. Finally, the manual switch design might be less convenient than KVMs with hotkey switching or software control, but it likely contributes to greater reliability and simplicity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.